Hello everybody, how you doing? This is John 13. Today I got something a little special for you guys. This isn't my normal game videos. This is a informational video about clinical trials. Now, wouldn't normally do stuff like this, but this is a project we did for school in partnership with Takeda Pharmaceuticals. As part of STEM's research and development learning. Now, Takeda did not sponsor this video in any way, but I do want to thank them for allowing me and my group to have the opportunity to make this video and to work with them. So it's just a quick video about clinical trials. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you ever are asked to participate in a clinical trial, please do. It's very useful. You'll be completely safe, and you'll help out not only the company you're doing it for, but you help out many people in the future. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
We all rely heavily on drugs, both prescription and over-the-counter. But in order for you to get your painkiller or allergy medicine, each drug has to go through something called a clinical trial. Today you will learn how your drugs go from an idea to a product in your hands. So like everything, drugs start as an idea. Researchers from a drug company determine which drugs will be needed and sellable in the next few years. They have to plan ahead because a drug can take over a decade to develop. After the idea of a new realistic drug is determined, then chemists determine which substances could be used for a drug. There are endless possibilities, so they base their testing off what has been proven to work before and start from there. After they come up with a list, then they move on to studies in animals. In this phase, they test for the effectiveness of a drug, usually in rats. Rats are given the drug to determine the effectiveness and the safe dosage. The rats can be given up to 10 times the recommended dosage to study the side effects and long-term effects of the drug. This trial has been going for 4 or more years. Most drugs fail here before they're given to humans. Once the drug has been proven to be safe and effective in animals, then moves on to studies in humans. These studies exist in 3 phases. Phase 1 tests for side effects. It involves healthy volunteers taking the drug. They are gradually given larger and larger dosage until the patients begin to experience side effects. This is to determine the safe dosage and the side effects the drug may have. Phase 2 is the first time sick patients receive the drug. This phase involves a small number of patients. This phase tests for the effectiveness of a drug, the amount administered, and the interval of administration. Phase 3 is where the drug goes large scale. It goes out to many people of many locations and backgrounds. It identifies any risk to any people and sees what affects the drug, such as other medications, pregnancy, or other diseases. This phase involves adults 18 and over. This study goes on over many years and accounts for most possible safety concerns, and it tests for the effectiveness of the drug versus other existing drugs on the market. Phase 1 through 3 take about 6 years to complete. After Phase 3 is finished, the drug then seeks approval from the FDA. The FDA looks at the results from all the trials and may conduct their own tests before they decide whether or not to approve the drug for use in the US. After it is approved by the FDA, the drug can then be sold in stores. The company can also choose to have the drug enter Phase 4. Phase 4 monitors the drug for any additional side effects not found in the original trials and looks to improve the drug. In Phase 4, the company can also choose to repeat Phases 1 through 3 in children. This is when you can make an impact. If a doctor asks you to participate in a trial, it will have gone through many steps to ensure your safety. Since children and adolescents have a slightly different metabolism than adults, the drug can have a slightly different safe dose or effect. So why does all this matter? Right now, most major pharmaceutical companies are experiencing a shortage of participants, especially in Phases 3 and 4. The biggest problem they face is limited diversity. One demographic may be heavily represented, while others may have little or no representation at all. This is a problem because a drug may have slightly different effects between demographics. This problem is even bigger in kids and teens under 18. Even without being tested in children, a doctor can still prescribe a drug to children and adolescents. Your participation will help to find a proper dosage for your peers. You will be in a safer environment than you took the drug independent of a study. In the study, your health is the most important factor. By participating, you are helping to determine the correct dosage and effectiveness of a drug in children and adolescents just like you. Thank you for your participation.